Today we're going to be taking a look at the difference between 24 millimeters and 48 millimeters, and that's the new difference between the zoom levels of the new Mavic 2 zoom. What you're going to see is when it's wide angle, like the 24 millimeters, the landscape looks a little bit smaller and less true to life. Around 70 millimeters full frame equivalent is when the landscape looks exactly as your eyes can see it. So as that 48 millimeters gets closer to that 70 millimeters, the landscape is going to appear to be growing and getting bigger and more accurate to how it actually looks in real life. And that is the difference between the Mavic 2 Zoom and the Mavic Pro. And I think that's why the Mavic Zoom is better. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. Hopefully you got some kind of good info out of this. See you later.